drag some of these out. Now he's got to separate it and make sure. Of course, standing on it's not too cool.
Dangerous.
What's that?
Looks dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Are you going to pull that out? Okay. Do you want to go around? I'm making movies of this kind of stuff, huh?
How do they get this out?
Well, they're going to float it first. And then they're going to bring that sled over. And the sled's got hooks on the end of it. And they dip it in there and then they pull it back out. It's really kind of ingenious. So he says, you want to go around? I'm So here comes the sled. Here a little. See better. Alright, down it goes, way down underneath this piece of ice. And then the two of them have to pull it up. Pretty amazing. And here it comes. Of course, the top layer's dirty.
Yeah, it's so thick.
Huh?
So thick?
Yeah, isn't it? It really is. So he's got all these other ones that are already floating that they haven't brought up. But now they're making extra wide size, which is really kind of cool. And then all those blocks that are standing there, then they'll take the chainsaw and cut off the dirty part. But this is relatively easy. And of course, you got to have earplugs in your ears because the chainsaws are really noisy. But he'll cut up another one and we'll get to watch it. And I guess the purpose of the block really is just to make sure that you cut it in a square. I don't see any other reason for it. Those people who can't cut straight or something. But it also makes kind of a big, makes a lot of water is what happens. Not a quick little thing. They add water to the ice they level the different lakes, and so this lake I guess was a little bit lower and it took on more water, so some of the paths that we had this morning or from yesterday were covered up in water today, and so it was really kind of a mess. And of course the fireman made it look really easy when you fall in, but I'm sure that's not really the case. They're really having a hard time today. It's just really hard work. And wet. These guys sit down and eat about 3 or 4 sandwiches at lunch. 12 cookies, and an apple, and an orange, and a banana, and a couple cups of coffee, 2 bowls of soup. Everybody who's younger than 85 gets out here, so it's sort of like biking in the Netherlands. Everybody does it. Nobody stays home. So they've got another couple of blocks, and they're going to pull those in. He has to be really careful, though, because if he steps on that the wrong way, there he goes in the water. But he can't seem to get that first one. Maybe now he can get the first one out of the way. He had to do a second one to get the first one. Okay, I'm going to go work on my sculptures.